Install a smart water heater controller to shift water heating loads to off-peak hours and cut peak demand and utility costs. Choose a controller that supports scheduled load shifting and solar integration and wire it to the water heater according to the manufacturer instructions and local code. Mount temperature sensors at the tank top and mid-height to monitor stratification and set control logic to preheat during times of excess solar or low grid rates while preserving the top layer hot water for immediate use. Configure the schedule in hours and minutes rather than broad ranges so the controller can start heating just before expected demand and stop when the tank reaches the target temperature, plus a small hysteresis to prevent rapid cycling. If you plan this for new home construction, place the controller and sensors in accessible locations and leave spare conduit from the electrical panel to the water heater for future upgrades. Verify electrical compatibility by confirming voltage and current ratings, and that the controller will not void the water heater warranty by checking the water heater manual and contacting the manufacturer if needed. Always include a manual override or local switch so occupants can demand heat outside the schedule, and test the override monthly to confirm immediate hot water availability. Common mistakes include relying on a single tank temperature reading that ignores stratification, which causes poor comfort and wasted energy. Fix this by using at least 2 sensors and controlling based on top layer temperature with allowance for mid-tank conditions. Another issue is scheduling without accounting for variable solar production or changing occupancy patterns, which can either waste solar or leave occupants cold. Solve this by integrating a solar power signal or using simple predictive rules like preheating during the last hour of peak solar and shifting to off-peak at night. A third problem is installing a controller that is electrically incompatible or that risks voiding the heater warranty. Avoid this by matching voltage and relay ratings, following manufacturer guidance, and documenting the installation for the water heater maker. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and browse community discussion threads on installation details, product choices, and real-world tips related to smart water heater upgrades. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners planning projects and offer an active discussion community for sharing experiences and asking practical questions.